Hey y'all, it's Debbie Hoffman with HIR Insurance Agency. Wanted to hop on real quick because something just came up, so while it's fresh in my mind, I wanted to bring it up to you guys. And that is if you are turning 65 and possibly maybe still working, so you're going to be retiring soon, and there's a certain date that you want to retire on. Now, it may not be when you turn 65. It could be 1, 2, 3 months after you turn 65. You got a little problem if you don't plan in advance. So the call I just got off of was somebody turning 65 in September, but he's not retiring, or his health plan is going to go through the end of September. It won't be until October 1st that he needs his Part A and Part B of Medicare to be effective. He does make a little bit of money, so he's in this IRMA where he pays more for his Part B. He doesn't want to pay an extra month. Can't blame him. He's on a great rock star plan right now through his company. So if he were to apply like everybody's chirping in his ear and telling him to do 3 months before he turns 65, it's going to be effective September 1st because his birthday's in September, right? But again, he doesn't want to pay that extra month. So what I need you to do, if you know anybody in this situation, tell them to go to our website. It's GO2HIR. Go to HIR.com. You go to offerings, Medicare, and then scroll down. You're going to come across a lot of information we've got on there, and you're going to see this little part that says it's talking about not planning your Medicare enrollment properly. And so there's a little chart in there, and the chart says the month you turn 65, if you applied the month you turn 65, then it won't be effective until the month after you apply. In this case, he cannot apply until September 1st or a little after, and then it'll be okay. It'll be in October. His effective date will be in October. Now, one of our clients, we told him this, but they went onto the Medicare website and put most of their information in, but did not submit it until after the 1st, like we had instructed them to do. Hers became effective the month before she needed it. So don't even go on the website. Just don't touch it until the month before. Now, if you need it to start 2 or 3 months after, we may have an issue because there is a black hole. And if you look at this chart, you can see it. If you applied the month after you turn 65, then it won't be effective 2 months till 2 months after you sign up. If you apply 3 months after you turn 65, then you have another 3 months to wait. So we have to be really, really careful with this. Easily remedied. You can call us. That's the easiest thing. So before you even start talking to people, just pick up the phone and call us, 323-455-4961. And one of our wonderful agents will help walk you through this process easily. If not, you can try to do it on your own, but from experience, it's not the best thing to do. We've had some people come to us afterwards in a bind because their insurance at work was ended, but yet we could not get them insurance for a month or two. And in California, it's really bad because in California, you have no more short-term or bridge plans. So you could be without insurance for a while, which I know is scary for me. I'm sure it's scary for you too. So anyway, easy. Pick up the phone and call us. We'll walk you through this process so that you don't have to pay any extra than you already need to.